It is dark, it is cold. I need to get this off right there. These are very specific, very precise little heads. They're kind of these star heads. And believe it or not, none of these actually work. And so I have this KSD E1 Max 66 precision bits. Let's see if in fact it's got everything I need to make this work. And as you can see, there is a light on the end, although I have my headlamp on to give you more light. Let's go ahead and turn this. Oh, that is barely moving. Wow, and that's because there is Loctite on here. And there it goes. Oh, that's not expensive at all. Well, it works really well. I'd recommend this on more electronics things rather than some industrial type stuff that would require a drill like that. But for this particular case, it actually worked right on.